As we all know, today is National Ceiling Fan Day. So happy National Ceiling Fan Day of 2020. Let's run some fans. Let's start off with the Hangout fans. Let's move these over here. And we're going to do them from newest to oldest. First up, we have this late 1970s unbranded yellow handheld fan. This is the most powerful one. Yeah, here's on. This one has a good spin on time compared to the rest. Next up is this early 1970s blue, John blue handheld fan. I was in red. Let's run this one. Bit yellowed. Next up is this early 1970s John handheld fan in red. Also original box. Sorry about hitting it against that. Next up is this 1960s Pifco mini fan made in Japan. Those two are made in Hong Kong and that one's made in China. Here we go. Also comes with this plastic thing there. Very smooth. Now let's move to the next ones. Here is the 1994 Electron and the B&Q. Now the reason why both of them don't have the grills is to move extra air. Because they both do move a lot of air with the grills, but this without. So here's high. Medium. Low. And off. Oh, there's my cat. Hold up. We have cat. It's not cat day, but. Hello. Hello. How are you? You good? I'm guessing you're hungry. It's not feeding time yet. I'm guessing you're hungry. Okay, let's go around the B&Q. So here's high. Medium. Low. And off. Sorry, the cat's outside the door. Wait for that to stop. Hello. You're hungry, aren't you? Yeah, it's got 2010 Matsui, running on high. Medium. Low. And here's off. This one takes a while to stop. Now we have here, we're going to 96 Gulag. I'm currently using it as a bedtime fan. Here's high. Medium. Low. And there you go, it goes off. Now I'll run one more, the biggest of them all. I think it's about time for you to be in here, isn't it? Because I'm going to be running the big one, yes. Good 20-inch Pro Breeze. Sorry, I'm going to have to shut the door. Yes. So here's high. Medium. Low. And that's off. And there you go. Thanks for watching the video. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. Sorry for the cat interrupting. Yeah, thanks for watching and see ya.